Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's another bike. This is an Ariel leader. I bought this about 12 months ago. The guy told me that he had it running, which I believed him anyway, so, it didn't take much doing to it. Just needed some of the wiring sorting and mainly the rectifier to I'll show you here. Put a solid state rectifier on it and got it sparking and everything, and it's showing charge. So it was two-tone blue, as you can see, with that colour, which I didn't really like. I've got to get it done again. Spraying is doing a bit better. It's a bit shit really in the white. The engine really revved on, so I've had a couple of Ariel errors, and they never rev like this. But I actually got pulled up on one a few years ago. A copper pulled me up with my son on the back of my Ariel Arrow, and he asked me what the hell it was. I said to him, "You're making me feel bloody old now." But I remember two lads coming down from another village must have been about 1959, and they both got Ariel leaders, brand new Ariel leaders. And I thought, one day I'm going to have one of them. But the price has gone bloody stupid on them now. I mean, there's not many like this. They're either rust buckets and they want £1,000 for them, or they've been done up and want like £4 for them, and there's no way I'm not paying £4 for one. But I should get a bit more done to it in the summer. But I say it really revs up, it does. I've got to get it running better. But, I don't know what to do. I haven't got any papers, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I might sell it, I might just keep it and get it on the road. But, I've always wanted one, but say I wouldn't pay £4,000 for one. It's just way too much. But, so anyway, I've got a few bikes on here. I put a BSA on earlier. I've got some couple of times I'm going to put on, and I've got a few videos on there of bikes I ride. So it's not too bad. It's just hard, difficult, getting the paint to come up really nice. I don't restore bikes completely. Just make them rideable, and that's all you can do really, because in the end you can actually spend more on them than what they're actually worth. And I'm not spending £2,000 or £3,000 on a bike for it to be worth £4,000. So needs a seat, so I just got to get a cover and make it. They're a wooden base of the seat are, so they're not too difficult to do. So anyway, that's another bike on what's it. So if you like this and you like any more, then please subscribe to my channel and keep in touch, and I'll try and put some more on. I've got a 250 Triumph I'm going to put on. I've got a 350 Triumph bathtub, that's completely bathtub, so I'll try and get that running and get that on here. I've also got a 71 oil and freight Bonneville, so I've had that 4 years, still ain't got it running. But yeah, so please subscribe to my channel and keep coming back and watching more. Thanks a lot and ride safe. Cheers.